I'm going to get a good view of that cog going round as well. Yep. Yep. See ya. Are the lights on red there, Mum? No, no, they don't make noises, just red light symbol. I know. To do the lights just in the gates. These people need to hurry up. These people need to hurry up crossing. I wonder when the gates are shut in. I think they shut them when they whistle. But that's how they communicate. Edda.
So you'll know that
Yeah.
when traffic stops, is it?
Yeah.
You're not on there
No. Yeah. Who?
all these driving.
Oh. YouTubers. I think that's strutted, is it? Are the lights on red yet? Is the traffic stopped? Are they on red? Look at that cog going round. I saw the cog go round then. Okay.
I've got pictures of it when it comes through.
I can screenshot the video. It's going back to front, isn't it? The front at the back. They like to turn it, don't they? Do you know what I mean? It's going backwards.
Just concentrate.
I know. It's not very often I see a steam train these days, is it?
Yeah.
It's going back to front. I couldn't see the name of that train, but I'll soon screenshot it. Wait, Mum, I want to watch it operate. Come on. I'm gonna swing open now. That is swinging open. There we go.